Ready to mix some magic? Today in Kitty Kendra we are going to learn how to draw a magic potion. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape at the top. Then draw a vertical line coming down from each side. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Make a letter C on the left side. Then its mirror image on the other. And extend the curve from each side, going down as a vertical line on each side. Then draw a large half circle connecting these two lines to make the container. Draw a smaller horizontal line. Draw a vertical line on each side. Connect them at the bottom with a horizontal line to finish the cord. Extend the two vertical lines. Then connect them with another half circle to make the potion inside. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a wavy horizontal line in the middle of the half circle to make layers of the potion. Draw some circles around the container with different sizes to make bubbles. Wonderful! Now you can draw a magic potion. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. You can use the white pencil, or a lighter or a darker shade than the color you're using to make the bubbles inside. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.